How to add a school, college, or university to your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on your device. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on your profile. Then tap on edit profile. Now simply scroll down. Now next to details, simply tap on edit. Now under education, if you want to add a school, simply tap on add a school. Now tap on the school name. Now search for the school name. Now select the school. Now if you already graduated, simply tap on the graduation year. Now select the graduation year and tap on save. Now if you want to add a university, simply tap on add university. Now search for the university name, then tap on the university. Now you can also add graduation year, simply select the graduated option. Now select the starting year and select the end year. Then tap on save. Now click on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.